Okay, here I go. I'm gonna do a snow angel. Drop it down just a little bit. If I can get my camera to sit up. Okay, I think you can see me. Right here. Oh, this is fun. Yeah. Let's see, could you see me? Let me get up without messing it up. Get up. Oh, my legs. We got to do another one.